Hello and welcome to Elite Weather. My name is Mr. G, your meteorologist with take number 2. As I just recorded the video but forgot to hit the record, so we're going to try this once again and see if we actually record the video this time. So here is your weather forecast. Today is Wednesday, February 21st, I believe. So we've made it to the midway point of the week. Today is hump day, and I got a weather forecast for you guys, and we're going to talk about it, and we're going to talk about that rain out west, the big storm in Southern California, the atmospheric river, and we're going to talk about some severe weather that's going to affect the Midwest and the Ohio Valley. So we're going to be talking about that. So let's jump into our first map here. Here's a live look at the radar across the west. And we're looking at that rain over Southern California. We also have some more rain up in Northern California and a bit of snow moving in and throughout the Rockies as well. So Rocky Mountain snow still over the Sierra Nevada mountains. And we're seeing rain down here in Southern California and rain north of the Bay Area in northwestern California as well. And here we are as we talk about that snow over the Sierra Nevada. And some areas are going to pick up another 12 to 18 inches of snow. Still a bit more snow to go here across the high mountains of the Sierra Nevada. And here is that flood watch here across California. So we have a flood watch across from the northern California down to San Diego County. We have flooding with the exception of the inland deserts, but there's a flood watch up and down the state. And we have that flash flood warning here over West Los Angeles and the western areas of Los Angeles counties and the eastern areas of Ventura County. So we have a flash flood warning because of copious amounts of rain. There is the possibility of more flooding across Southern California today as we still have rain streaming in off the ocean. So that rain is continuing through the morning hours. I think things will begin to taper off later today. And we're going to be seeing that storm make its way across the southern plains and bring severe weather as one piece of energy is going to be moving out into the Midwest with thunderstorms today and some severe weather today and tonight across the Midwest and into the Ohio Valley. And here we are as we look at rain totals that we've had across Northern California since Sunday, where we've had almost 8.5 inches of rain in La Granada. San Francisco, we saw almost 8 2/10. Rose Valley, 7 2/10. And Carpinteria, 7 15/100. Montecito saw almost 7 inches of rain since Sunday. Now, downtown Los Angeles, these are your top rain in February. Here we are. We are currently number 4 at 12.33. So 12 inches and about 3/10 of an inch. So, and our number 1 was 1998. I remember that. That was 13.68 inches of rain for the month of February up until this point. And that was a big El Nino as well. That was another super El Nino back in 1998. I'm really surprised the 82-83 El Nino didn't make this list either. So our storm that's going to be moving into the plains from the southwest, our southwestern drencher, is going to be moving out into the Midwest. And we're going to see a couple of areas of some severe weather down across the mid-Mississippi River Valley, as well as in the upper Mississippi River Valley, and 2 parts of the upper Midwest through north central Illinois. We're going to be seeing the potential for some severe thunderstorms that could potentially bring some damaging winds and hail. And then we're going to be seeing that rain and those severe thunderstorms through the Ohio Valley as we move through your Thursday. So we're going to be seeing more rain, thunderstorms, and maybe even some severe weather as well through parts of Ohio. And we're going to be looking at generally a half inch to an inch of rain, so an inch or less for the most part. But a few areas across northeastern Ohio could pick up 1 to 2 inches of rain. That severe weather threat down across the Missouri Valley. So Missouri, Kansas, and northeastern Oklahoma has a threat for severe weather today and tonight. And we're going to see that severe weather threat tonight across the upper Midwest through central Illinois and parts of western Indiana. We have a slight risk or a marginal risk for flash flooding across the Ohio Valley as well, as we're going to be picking up about an inch of rain. Here is that storm system. Here is the setup for this Midwestern storm that we're going to be seeing coming out of the southwest. The southwestern energy is going to ride over the top of that ridge of high pressure over Texas and the southern plains, and that energy is going to eject out into the Midwest across Missouri and Iowa, into Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. So we're going to be seeing that severe weather. And here's those temperatures that we're seeing out there for the current time right now here in the early morning hours. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning or so right now. So we're seeing those temperatures in the 50s to lower 60s down across southern Texas. And we're going to be seeing those temperatures warm really nice across Texas, especially over West Texas, where we're going to see temperatures in the upper 80s. So very nice temperatures down there across Texas. 70s all the way up to Kansas City, and those temperatures in the 60s across the Ohio Valley and the upper Midwest. We're going to get close to 50 here in the Twin Cities today, so we definitely see that warm-up moving in. So here's your forecast for Thursday across the upper Midwest and the Ohio Valley, where we're expecting to see some rain showers and some thunderstorms as well across the upper Midwest and into the valley tomorrow. And Thursday night, more rain across the Ohio Valley and the parts of the mid-Atlantic states. So we're going to see rain from Virginia down to North Florida, and then rain across the Mississippi Valley, across Alabama, Mississippi, up through Tennessee, Kentucky, into the Ohio Valley there, up into West Virginia, Indiana, and Ohio, and Pennsylvania as well. We're going to see some rain showers and some embedded thunderstorms. More rain for the Northeast as we head into Friday. So rain from Boston to New York and Washington. And we're going to see rain all the way over towards Charleston and into Pittsburgh, possibly some rain showers early in the morning. But for the most part, your day is going to be dry in Pittsburgh, and we're going to see some rain showers and snow, possibly in the mountains. That one. So your day planner across the across the east. So for New York, Philly, Washington, Pittsburgh, and Boston, we're going to have a warmer day today with those temperatures in the 40s from New York and Philly, 50s down in D.C. and Pittsburgh, and 40s up in Boston as well. We're going to see it warm up a little bit more tomorrow, but on Friday we're going to see those temperatures. So let me start this part over. Okay. So here is your day planner for the next for Thursday through Saturday across the Mid-Atlantic and into the Northeast. New York City and Philly are going to be in the mid to upper 40s for your Thursday, and Washington is going to be in the mid-50s, 52 for Pittsburgh, but those temperatures in the low 40s in Boston for your Thursday. Friday, we're going to still see those temperatures go up a few degrees or so in New York and Philly, drop a degree in Washington, drop a few degrees in Pittsburgh, go up a few degrees in Boston up to 48. That'll be the warmest day of the week for you folks. But on Saturday, a change is going to come. And those temperatures are going to fall back for everybody, mostly into the 30s, with DC still in the lower 40s. So that is a look at the day planner for the Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic as we head through the Saturday. And here is your leave out. We got that wet weather in the south, warmer temperatures. So the trees are starting to bud out pretty early here. So we're seeing the leaves starting to bud out, the blooms starting to blow and grow on some of the trees as well. The peach trees down through Georgia. So we're seeing those leaves really start to, that tree pollen really is going to kick up there and get pretty nasty. A lot of itchy and watery eyes is going to be coming, and that's going to be for today down here across the deep south. And then as we look at your temperature outlook for March through May, that above average will be very likely across the Northeast and the Midwest and the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes will continue those above average temperatures. And those warmer than average temperatures will actually start to spread out toward the west as we transition from El Nino to La Nina. So we'll have a very brief period of INSO neutral, and then we will jump into a moderate to strong La Nina. So that is your weather forecast that I actually recorded this time. Yep, I see the blue light on the computer, so that means I am recording it. So that's good, because I recorded a whole video and never recorded it. And I looked down and like, oh crap. So here we go. Thank you for watching me, guys. Leave your likes, comments, subscribe to me on TikTok or YouTube, whatever you want to do. I appreciate it. And I will see y'all tomorrow in the next video. Alright? And also check out my next video today where we're going to take that tour again across the country, look at all the radar, and we'll show you all of the active weather that's currently taking place across America. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.